Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger, I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hi guys, we are back.
Welcome back, guys. So yeah, this is crazy, guys. YouTube is a crazy world because we literally after ending the last video, if you guys haven't seen the last video, go check it out. You understand? So after ending that, we literally just start another intro for this new vlog. So welcome, guys. Welcome Island Tribe. Yeah, man. So this is where we're staying in Sydney, right? So just gonna give you like guys
Darling
a little
Harbour.
Yeah. Give you guys a little tour. You wanna show them around, baby?
I'll show you guys around.
Yeah.
So let's go back around here. Just a very standard, I think.
Yeah, very standard, but
king size bed, very comfortable.
Yeah.
Nothing luxury, nothing like that. Sorry. Careful your step. I almost stacked it out here. So you've got a bit of a balcony here, guys. And down here we got the shops. Guys. Yeah, it's raining today, so we're just gonna have to maybe just go down and eat there because it's
can't
closer.
move around too much today.
Not today, it's raining, so.
It's been crazy rain in Sydney as we found out. Yeah, so let's hope that don't spoil our little adventure or little, getaway.
For real.
Yeah.
For real.
I don't want it to flip back. Yeah, guys.
We're just chilling.
Yeah,
oh,
man.
we didn't show you the bathroom. Let's go. Let's see what the bathroom's about. Alright, so the bed. Hopefully we'll have a good sleep here tonight.
Yeah.
And the bathroom is in here. Okay.
Pretty standard.
Yeah, pretty.
How did they create this place? Don't water flow all over the place? Like, it's not much part in there.
You would think. Yeah.
But it's what it is. It's their design.
It's been water damaged, that's for sure. But anyway, that's all good. Little fridge for your
Nothing
whatever.
for the guests.
Nothing for the guests. So.
You wanna get shoes out? You wanna get shoes out?
Okay. I got a hairdryer so I can dry my hair, guys, if I want to dry my hair. Little TV. And that's it for now, guys.
Yeah.
Join us for maybe we'll take them out for dinner.
Yeah. We'll see what happens next.
See what happens. Alright.
Yeah, man, stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Alright, guys, so we're back on the street. See, it's pure rain. Pure rain after arriving to our hotel. So yeah, it's crazy. We did decided to go walking, but when we look outside, it was like, nah, I have to get in the car, So yeah, so we're just there right now, guys. Storm in Sydney.
And it's getting cold in Sydney.
Oh, I can imagine. You guys.
Spanish restaurant.
It's a little glimpse of the ocean over there, guys. You wouldn't see. Oh, there it is, a bit of the ocean.
Turn right onto Hickson Road.
We're searching for somewhere to go have something to eat.
Bay Crab House.
What?
Probably like.
Crab house.
I don't even know where I'm going.
I have no idea.
Does it say turn right?
2 kilometers.
You're on the right path. Right path.
This car is so smooth. smooth, I swear.
Tell ya,
now.
smooth, man.
Island, we're going now, Baba.
Them building ya, guys. Yeah, I love my people them when they back home whenever I travel yet.
Wow, look at that building.
Yeah, I tell
That's
ya.
massive though.
People
Looks
that
like a bit of a. Oh, sorry, I'm just saying it looks like there's and that's
Oh my god.
that's the that.
Oh my god, babe. You know that's bleeping right there.
Bleep it out, man. I'm just saying that's what it looks like.
Yeah, guys, but I'm just fascinated with these things, you know. Yeah, man, human can create things, you know, with their minds, you know. You put your mind to it, you can do it, you know. So
That's right.
it just shows you believe in yourself, believe in your talent, you know. So it's real life, man. It's real life.
Architecture, that man.
Yeah, man, amazing to look at. Amazing.
Wow, that's the Crown Plaza,
Oh,
Crown Casino.
okay.
Yeah.
Like a famous plaza.
Yeah. No, it's a hotel.
Oh, hotel.
Crown Hotel.
Okay. Must be expensive, you reckon?
Mhm. Yep. Mhm.
Why are they laughing?
Oh, because they're taking model photos.
Oh. Model photo in the rain. Oh, guys.
Oh, what's here? What do we have here?
Country youth like me, whenever I experience them life yet, me have to feel great, you know, like
Grateful.
yeah, man.
Blessed.
Get for see places, you know. And them thing you open up your mind as well. To see how people live and how the world, you know, operate on a different level. You know, it's eye opener, man.
Shopping and dining there. But where you park the car though? If we go there. Eat. Look how busy the restaurants and that are. Probably busy people now.
Yeah, everything is busy, guys. This is what you call real busy life, city life. Yeah, from traffic to restaurants. Yeah, babe, so we've been in traffic for a while.
I hate it, guys.
Yeah.
This is the reason why I moved from Sydney. Because you really gotta wait. It's like we've been sitting here for at least 30 minutes already.
Yeah, and then look at this, where this map just literally changed. But anyway, it's just right down the road. And we're literally been stuck in traffic for ages.
Ages, guys.
Yeah.
Ages.
So that's the thing about city life. It's not always the best because you can't get to move around.
Yeah.
You know,
It's
so
like bumper to bumper.
yeah. That's the thing, it's crazy.
Bumper to bumper.
Yeah, man, but we're there still. The Kabobo getting fussy.
Because he's hungry.
Yeah, I want something to eat, you know, so yeah.
And then finding parking in the city is just...
Yeah, that's the next thing again. From busy traffic to trying to find parking. One elevate. Crazy adventure.
Yep.
Got that traffic ain't moving, guys.
In the back is worse.
Creeping like a snail.
I want to go straight though. Can I go straight? I can shit, man. One of them say. Oops. Shit. Sorry, can I go in? Oh my god, I need to go in. Before I get in trouble by the police.
In traffic again, guys.
Marketplace, this is the Queen Victoria building. That's why Queen Victoria Building. As you all know, with England and all that, this is the it shop.
Yeah.
You got all the branded stuff in this store here, which we'll walk tomorrow. See. Victoria.
And all the architecture, guys. All the designs, the statues.
Go.
All that.
In 200 metres, use the right 2 lanes to take the slip road to Anzac Bridge, Liverpool.
That's a Ferris wheel.
Yes, we can go there tomorrow. We live around the corner. We live around the corner. We're
Use
staying
the
around the
right
corner.
2 lanes to take the slip road to Anzac Bridge, then merge onto Western Distributor.
Yeah, we're going through Darling Harbour now. We're around the corner from here. We're staying like down there.
Okay.
Yeah. So that, guys, is the city.
Yeah.
We still haven't finished yet.
City life for ya.
This is what it is. And luckily I kind of still remember a lot of the areas here. So yeah.
Yeah. Love the lights in the tunnel, yo.
A4, then use the right 2 lanes to take the exit towards Harris Street. Use the right 2 lanes to take the exit towards Harris Street. In 500 metres, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Harris Street.
Roads on top of roads.
Oh wow, city's full of people.
This place is like a maze, guys. You're not sure you're going or following Google Maps, you're lost in seconds.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Harris Street.
Look, Island, we have food down here. McDonald's is coming up. This is a Sydney University on my left.
Okay.
Sydney University and University of Veterinary. They all have their sections.
Yeah.
So the one closer to my work.
Buildings look ancient,
Yeah, the buildings
like
are.
castle kind of looking.
Yeah, they are. I used to work in this street here, RPA Hospital, Prince Alfred Hospital, one of the best hospitals in Sydney, may I add.
Okay.
Yeah, I used to work there.
This one.
No, it's in that street.
Oh, in the street.
On the way back, I'll show you.
Okay.
Yep. I should go say hi to all my friends. They probably still work there.
See.
Wow. We're getting KFC, guys. Sorry.
Yeah.
So guys, when I was 17, Gary Candle was my second, well, it was actually my real first official job.
Yeah.
And I used to work very long hours for a tax accountant. So
That's over there.
and that's over there, tax accountant Gary Candle. I don't even think he'd remember me if I was to be like, hey, what's up? Do you remember me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, anyways, going down memory lane.
Yeah. And guys, a while ago we just saw some planting. And you look at, oh, these are banana.
Sell banana. What else do they sell? Yeah, plantain there, down the bottom. That's plantain, right?
Yeah.
That's plantain.
Do you know them planting? They look
Yeah.
powerful.
And they got Scotch bonnet up the top.
Yeah, them planting, they look big though.
See that?
Yeah, man, it's a mango and all them thing there.
Dasheen there, Dasheen.
Oh, yeah.
See, they got everything.
Them have everything, man. Yeah, guys, we definitely have to do a walkthrough.
Yeah, we will.
Stay tuned for that. Yeah, man. Nice, vibe.
So a couple of years ago, I fair few years ago. There was a mall here. Now it's Woolworths, as you can see.
Okay.
It got burned down, but they used to have like little shops, and they had like island foods and all that kind of stuff. Now it's like a shopping centre.
Oh, okay.
Like a little theatre. So.
Yeah. Alright.
Culture here, big here in the Hepburn. Guys, I'm gonna prank babe and pretend I'm leaving. Sit down, Bubble. Bye. I'm like, I'm gonna prank babe, and my mouth is full.
What did I do to deserve that? Huh? Alright guys, so we come back here now to see
We're at Lakemba.
Lakemba.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very multicultural area, guys.
Yeah, full of Muslims and all that, you know.
Yep.
So yeah, searching for the plantain and see what else is there. So
Yep.
stay tuned. Well, not stay tuned, we're actually here. So yeah guys.
What?
This babe.
Choco. Yeah, I can get some at the casino.
We actually put that in soup.
Really?
Yeah, it actually goes in the soup as well.
Nice, eh?
Yeah. What? This look like long mango. This look like a mango we have. Let me smell it.
Yeah.
Well, it kind of smell different, but it look like long mango we have in
I think they're
Jamaica.
hairy, babe. Why don't we get one? Get two.
Yeah, let's try it. Look at these are cucumber, right? No?
No, I think they're called Luca.
Oh, okay. That's what I'm wondering. It's crazy because they're not shaped exact like a plantain, but I'm just wondering, like, I don't know.
No, my bad. That's loofah. I don't know what that is.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask them.
Yeah.
What's that? Melon? Oh, Asian melon. Oh, okay. Asian melon, guys.
Yeah, interesting.
Wow.
Never seen that before. Yeah.
Yeah.
And banana are good for fritters, banana fritters.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah, you want some okra, ginger, tomato, all of that. Pumpkin.
Ladyfinger banana.
Yeah, remind me of Jamaica, you know?
Yeah, for real. Do you want to get the mackerel here and then we'll go get the...
Yeah.
Those plantains look some type of way.
Yeah.
Is that colour? No, you're looking at colour.
That's what it always, that's why it caught my eyes a while ago.
Yeah.
Alright.
Are those mangoes?
Yeah, mangoes.
For real?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm not sure what kind. They even have some lime. Hey guys.
Saltfish? What's that?
Looks like it, but it kind of look different.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah, it looks different though. Oh wait.
Wow, what's the hot frozen fish?
Yeah.
Banana. What's that? Banana what? Blossoms.
Oh.
Jackfruit.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Everything in that tin, you know?
You want a jackfruit? You can actually get it fresh, I think.
I would have loved to get it fresh.
Yeah, the market.
Jackfruit in tin, guys. That's crazy, man. Pineapple slice in tin. Everything in tin, yo. Crazy, man.
Alright, can you fit through here?
I swear this reminds me of Jamaica, cause I saw some place, you have some supermarket in Jamaica close up, you know what I mean? It make me feel like I'm there in Jamaica for real. Feel like I'm there yard.
Yeah, they don't have the macaroni that I'm looking for.
Yeah.
But I'll have it up the next door, eh?
Yeah.
Like, take these two just to try.
Yeah, let's try those mangoes. So we're at a different shop now, just up further. And they are very similar to what we just saw as well, but yeah.
I think it's there.
Yeah, probably, you know what? We're gonna try that.
This one?
Yeah, let's just try it.
How many?
Just two I guess. Yeah, two. Yeah, two of them good.
Alright.
We are gonna try those two, guys.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Yeah. So you guys can let us know what are these as well, because I'm not familiar. So
Oh, no.
let us know in the comment section. I swear these almost look like Callaloo here. Just in a different color. Huh? What a guava.
Guava.
Look different though.
Hang on.
Them big narati, but them look different.
Guava? Yeah, guava.
They look different.
Guava, guys.
Yeah, nice guava though. They have like the
I
green.
think these are like Eastern Indian, but smaller.
Oh, okay. Interesting. Yeah. Alright.
Oh, bomba. They only have mackerel in natural oil. They only have sardines in salt.
Yeah.
Oh no, yeah.
Oh, mackerel.
Got it. Just one
Tomato
tin.
sauce.
One
Yeah,
tin.
yeah, one good enough.
Do you need onion and things?
Yeah, true that.
True.
Mm,
Best to get one.
yeah. And a
Yeah.
pepper. And I pepper them.
One of the red ones?
Yeah.
Alright. I just put this down there.
Yeah. Hey guys. Hi Bobo. Hi.